Let's take a look at the tools needed to install headlights and taillights. Box cutter or razor blade, painter's tape, scissors, Sharpie marker, rotary tool or jigsaw, drill with a wide bit, safety glasses. Which reminds me, let's hear that safety jingle again.
Before you walk on your cart, do these safety things before you start. Turn on the car, parking brake down, flip your switch to don't mode, and disconnect your battery.
Hey, this is Paul from Streetwise Carts, and before we jump in, I just want to let you know that this video is part of our free street legalization mini course available at streetwisecarts.com. Signing up for this course also gives you our downloadable parts buying worksheet. This free mini course is the installation portion of our full street legalization course that goes over all the state paperwork and compliance issues that you need to be aware of when converting your golf cart to a street legal LSV. You can find a link to the free mini course along with a 10% off coupon for our full street legalization course right down below this video. All right, let's jump back in. In a previous video, we removed the side skirt, which might also hold on to the front cowl. You can remove this cowl and make the cuts on your floor or workbench, or just leave it attached to the cart. Just make sure the front cowl is secured to the cart before cutting by placing these screws back in. You might recall my RXV has headlights on it already, so I'm going to be using a piece of cardboard for demonstration purposes. Your headlights will include a template which will be taped onto your cart. It will have guides to make sure that it's in the right place. Cut out the headlight hole in the template and any other guides to help with placement. Using painter's tape, secure the template to the cart. Then take your Sharpie and trace around the inside of the template. Next, we're going to pull off the template and then apply painter's tape over the lines. This tape prevents chipping when you make the cut. Now tape the template back onto the cart again and mark on top of the tape one more time. Cut the template, remove the tape and excess plastic scraps with the razor blade. Now you can install the headlight, which is held in with these retaining clips typically. To do the other side of the cart, simply flip the template over and repeat the process. Once the wiring harness is installed, you'll be able to connect the wires, so for now you can move on to the tail light. The process for installing the tail lights is the same as the headlights. Go slow and take your time with this. Use safety precautions and ask a friend for help if needed.